Did you know a giant black dog is said to follow you seconds before you die? First like and subscribe, otherwise creepy dog haunt you at night? Across the villages of England, people whisper about the black Shuck, a massive hellhound with burning red eyes. It doesn't attack, it just follows, silently matching every step you take. Witnesses say its fur drips like wet shadows, and its breath freezes the air around you. If you see it once, you'll feel watched for days, but if it appears twice, you won't live long enough to warn anyone. Some believe the Shuck is death itself walking on four legs.